Hola, Jaleesa here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the party, baby. So today we are going to do a small bathroom reno and clean with me. There's nothing aesthetic in here. We're just going to refresh this bathroom. Unfortunately, in the wintertime, we are unable to open our windows because it's just way too cold in New York City. And that led to a moisture problem, which ruined our walls and our floors. So our building management stepped in to remedy the situation, and I'm just gonna take you along with me on the journey. I hope you enjoy. So here are the supplies that our building's contractor came with, and I am so glad that I am a nosy interior designer because I quickly realized that he came with the incorrect product. With a situation like this, you want to make sure that you are using a product that is going to treat the walls and prevent mold and mildew from growing or regrowing. And this product, unfortunately, is just not going to do that. So I had to send him back to the store, and these are the products that he should have gotten. And with that being said, here's a quick progress shot. The walls have been sanded and the tiles have been partially grouted. So we're on to the next steps.
Almost there. He has to, I believe he has to wipe down the walls after regrouting them. The one thing I hate is they never take their time around the edges for some reason. I don't know why they don't come with tape, but I can easily clean that off. But sorry for my weird angles. The walls are looking 1,000 times better. He's been here since 8 a.m. and this is such a small space and he's still not done. That's how much work he has. But you see what I mean? They don't take their time around it, and I hate that.
Okay, so it's the next morning. It's actually a Saturday morning and I have to run errands, and I hate running errands on a Saturday because that's when everyone has to do it. Well, when everyone chooses to do it. So we're gonna go to a few places. We're gonna go to TJ Maxx. I need to get a shower rod, possibly a shower curtain. I need to get some dish detergent because my dishes need to be washed. I need to go to the vitamin shop, and then I think that's it. I think I can come home after. Oh, I need to go get gas. Yeah, because I'm only at 1/4 of a tank right now, so I need to get gas. So we're gonna go do that, and hopefully you guys can see me moving around because I don't know how I'm gonna do it with this camera. We'll get it done. All right. So good morning, happy Saturday. Let's get this started. I'm glad that I came when I did because it's not that many people out here, which is awesome. Okay, so the guy is gone. I'm back. I went to the store. As you can see, I got myself another rod and some new curtain hooks. These are basically what I'm going to be using. The unmarked bottle is basically just bleach and water. So I know
you saw all of that stuff that just came out and why I'm cleaning it here. I don't know if he opened my medicine cabinet all up in my business. But there was a whole lot of like scrapings from the wall and everything in there. And besides that, it's been quite a while since I cleaned in here. So I'm just gonna clean it and make it look better.
Okay, I'm not sure if you could tell, but I had to double mask. The chemicals that I'm using are very, very strong and not very good for your health either. So it's always important to make sure that you have some type of ventilation, that you are using gloves like you see me using, and that you are using a mask to make sure you're not, inhaling all of the fumes that are gonna come from these products that you're using to clean the bathroom. It is always, always, always important to protect yourself. So please do what you need to do to make sure that you're okay. Crack a window, wear your gloves, wear a mask. And yes, cracking a window did make it pretty cold in that bathroom, but as long as you keep moving, you'll be fine.
Okay, so the tub is clean. I just wanted to show you some things that I found. Oh, if you see right there, he added some caulking and apparently it's not dry. So it's pulling right out of my wall. I think it's old. So I'm gonna call him and he's gonna come back and he's gonna have to fix this. But yeah, like, it's like he didn't even care. Look at over here, the caulking is coming out. Scratches all over there. Scratches all right there. Like, what was he doing?
Also, here's a quick disclaimer, as I know this might be quite frightening for my current and future clients, but the contractor used on this project is not from my own business team. Unfortunately, I was unable to bring in my own team members to work on this project. So for around the toilet bowl, I am using disinfectant wipes. I don't know, I find it kind of weird to use the same rag that you were cleaning your tub and your sink to clean around the toilet bowl. I'd rather use something that is disposable, so disinfectant wipes are the best bet. So here's a fun fact for you guys. Did you know that toilet bowl cleaner works very well on cleaning grout lines? So if you have a bathroom where your grout lines in your flooring is a little, dark, use toilet bowl cleaner. Let it sit for a while and scrub, and it cleans it so, so well. Yeah, TikTok taught me that. So now I am working on hanging this mirror, and honestly guys, I've hung so many mirrors and paintings over the years that I am pretty much a professional. So if you would like a video on how to hang a mirror properly on the first try, leave me a comment down below and I will work on getting that out to you. So this is the end of the video, and I thank you guys for watching. The bathroom is now completed, and I added a new mirror, which I love because, you know, as a black girl, when you want to see the back of your hair, this comes in handy. But yeah, I'm just happy that my bathroom is now taken care of. I don't have to worry about the ugly walls anymore. It's a fresh white coat, and I'm just pleased. I hope you are too. Thank you for watching. Until next time.